Hello, good day to all Hong Kong employers. My name is Monsina Lagumpay, 46 years old, single mother for 3 kids, college graduate at University of Bohol, uh, midwifery. I was a domestic helper at Dubai for 10 years. My first employers is Lebanese family for 7 years, and the second employer is French family for 3 years. My main duties and responsibilities as a house helper is taking good care of the kids, dropping and picking up at school, household chores like cooking, cleaning. I can do also marketing. I hope you choose me for your house helper. I will promise I will do my duties and responsibilities. I'm flexible, I'm trustworthy, and hardworking now. Thank you and God bless.